It's the last day of the pool and it's extremely hot. Like, I'm just so glad I took the last day. Like, I literally get to come in at the fridge to cool off. Also, not even for love now money, me not go back in the sun. Not doing it. Me not doing it. I don't love money so much. Like, me not, no man. I'm literally in at the fridge. In at the fridge because outside there's someone just burnt. Yeah, it's my birthday. And all I plan is to go to movies. Yeah, to movies. I was trying to do a spa day, but the time no day never available. So yeah, but I don't even know if I can hear me because the fridge. But I'll pick up back with you. Ugh. Listen, this vlog. Today is a dog day in the evening. That make it worse. I'm not even gonna go back outside because me and dog are a friend, and they having dog to shut down the pool. Like because they're gonna drain the pool and dismantle it and everything. Them having a dog session. But yeah, this is me in the fridge because my heart life as a pool server. I don't like it. I don't do it again. That's even for love nor money. Now I'm doing what I rather do housekeeping. That's a no lie.
It's been so long I didn't see you.
It's not doing it. Nope. Like, nope, I ain't doing it.
A lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same? Feel the same? Feel the same? Feel the same? Imagine if we did it right. Yeah, I feel like we could be so tight. We can fix it, it's gonna be alright. Do you feel it, baby? Baby? Look in my eyes, into my heart. I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long to find the one. I would do everything you ask in my love. Look in my eyes, I know we need time. I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long to find the one. I would do everything you ask in my love. Yeah, we were kids, baby, the time flew by. I mean, we didn't really had a fight. We were never really said goodbye. I can see your face, see your face, see your face, see your face. We just need some peace of mind. I got a feeling we will be alright. I wanna live with you by your side. Do you feel the same? Look in my eyes.
I am so happy. Like today, last day of the pool. Like, me just happy. Me glad forget. Like, me won't need forget about my complexion. Honestly, I am so burnt out by the sun. Like, me so glad. So today is the last day. As you guys could see, that we had a little. It's not even a dog show because nothing really happened. But the members brought out their dogs and they had a great time. Yeah, so they brought the dogs and they swam and had fun, I guess. But I am here leaving, going home now. Yeah, good morning, guys. So today is my birthday. Yeah, today is my birthday and I practically plan a whole day for my birthday. So like a solo birthday treat. So I'm planning to go to the salon. I'm right here. I'm going to get a full body massage for like an hour. Then I'm going to go to the movies. It's right there. Like everything in one place. So I'm just going to chill here for my birthday. I'm planning to go one of these restaurants like after I do my massage. And I just want to take you along the day. Like guys, today hot. Like if I was working today in the sun at the pool, I would have ball. Like I literally would have cry. Like I can literally feel the heat, and I don't know if it's because I'm in this thing, but today hot bad. It hot bad. So I just want to thank all you guys for wishing me happy birthday, and everybody that look on me and watch me a vlog. But I'm not care. Today is my day and I'm just gonna make it great. I don't know if I can record because you know some American rules as it relates to recording, but I want to try and I'm gonna ask. So my appointment is 12:30. It is now 12:20, so I'm just gonna walk in and see if everything is done because I booked it last night online. And yeah, so just come on with me on this day.
Tattoo on my mind, body in my bed. If you say the night, don't get in your head. Riding through the stars, you can catch your breath. I'ma give you something that you know.
So this place basically reminded me of when I was in Maryland, where you have different shop, and I think mine is shop 20, but the place look closed. I don't know, place look closed. So I just gotta walk around and just view the place. Oh, the bathroom is right here, so let me go in there. Like the bathroom is really nice, like it's nice. Look at the lighting. Oh my god, look at the lighting. Ah, this is like the kind of bathroom that I want because the lighting is everything and it's not so bright, it's just perfect. Let me show you in here. And this is for like the disabled people, the people with wheelchair. But this is the perfect part. Perfect. Love this. What's this? Happy birthday to me. Anyway, we don't know if the place closed or they just lock because nobody not come. But me gonna go out there and call the number and see what going on because them take my money. Them not spam me day. If this to happen, just gonna find something else. Anyway, this is the fit for the day. Let me put it right there. So. Yeah, this is my fit. Got this in Zara, this is on Shein. You have the Guess slippers, Guess bag. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so they are there. I just knocked and it seems like someone is inside. So she just said give her 1 second. So I'm just outside waiting, so everything is going as planned. Yay! So yeah, I'm excited. It's like solo date. I never done anything for my birthday because I always depressed my birthday. I don't know why. It's like I always feel like I'm reaching the point in my life, like age where I should accomplish so much more and still not accomplish much. You understand? Like I put so much pressure on myself, and it's the reason why I feel depressed on my birthday. But this birthday, we're not doing that. We're not doing it. Yes, not staying home, not talking, not answering any call, not responding. Not doing none of those stuff. I'm going to do it all. Yeah. So yeah, today is my day.
So I'm going to spoil you, and you're gonna be very biased moving forward. I'm just gonna say that.
Okay.
But yeah, any particular areas that you really want to focus on that kind of keep you up at night or just kind of bothering you?
Really.
Okay.
Yeah. Just here for the treat. Just here for the experience.
Nice. Any medical conditions I should be aware of? High blood pressure, back injuries, surgeries in the last 2 years?
No.
Awesome. Okay, cool. So as far as thank you for sharing that. As far as what to expect, it is a little bit different than a quote-unquote traditional massage, relaxation massage. I incorporate 2 techniques specifically: lymphatic drainage, which is more about the skin and getting the skin to kind of loosen. It's also targeting specifically your lymphatic system, which lives just beneath the last layer of skin, and it's more so responsible for like removing the waste, the byproduct of like dead cells, excess water, fatty acids, and of course dead cells. All of that gets pushed into the lymphatic system, and it's the lymphatic system's responsibility to kind of get rid of it and recycle it back through the body. How does that sound? I know that's a lot of information.
Is that something that I thought I signed up for, but it sounds good.
Yeah,
so
okay.
Like I'm here for the experience.
Okay, cool.
Centerfold, hard to hide it. Oh, on the walls, in the writing. If we stay, we're complacent. Too much time to be wasted. I don't wanna lie to you like this. I don't wanna fight with you like this. We gon' pay the price if we blinded. Oh, baby, don't you wait on me. 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 What if it's silver lining? Stars align in the silence. If we stay in the same place, we could lose what we came with. I don't wanna lie to you like this. I don't wanna fight with you like this. We gon' pay the price if we blinded. Oh, so baby, don't you wait on me. 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 Baby, don't you wait on me.
So I really enjoyed that. It was my first time enjoying it. Real professional. She's been she's been one of the most professional person I've been to since I came to Charlottesville. Like no cap. You guys saw that I went to the lashes person, and don't recommend this place. Highly recommend. She is well informed and she prepare you, and then not only that, she close you out. So I really enjoyed it. We'll definitely come back to do maybe something else, and she's always open for like questions and those and so forth. the place was relaxing, clean. You guys know that I have very sensitive skin. Nothing, my skin is perfect. Anyhow, I'll reach back with you with the next clip, okay? Listen, the sun hot, and I am here going to find a restaurant to eat. You have a chime, that's how I think you pronounce. You have hard, express pizza, mochi, whatever, Hawaiian barbecue deli. Like, maybe just look and see if I can decide on the menu, but the place just hot. It's hot. Like hot, very hot. Like, you know them do it. Hey, me growing up, like, look at me in front of the public. Like, me shy, but today is like, me don't care. Today is all about me. I don't business up, like, me not see nobody else around. Today is all about me. People they right there said me just talk free like say, me not care. Yeah. But as I was saying, I booked the massage last night because the night before I was looking for a masseuse, that's what they call them, and when I was ready to book it and everything, I realized that they didn't have any time. Like the day it was for yesterday, tomorrow, they never have any time for today. So I was like, that don't make no sense, that not gonna be like a birthday thing, plus I'm going to work tomorrow. So I decided that I wasn't going to. And then last night when like some of my friends was talking to me and like asking me what I'm going to do for my birthday, I'm like, just go to the movies, have dinner, that's all. And she was like, go and get a massage. And I was like, you know what, maybe I should. And I booked this place last night, like 12 o'clock in the night. And luckily there was a spot available. There was one early in the morning and there was one at 12:30, and I chose a 12:30 one. And now it's 2:22, the movie's at 6:30. So after this, I'm just going to spend as much time as I can in here dead. So it's not like so they can run me out, you understand? I'm going to spend as much time in here, and if not, I'll take a walk and then go to the movies. Most birthday, I am home depressed. And the reason why, I guess, is because, you know, time going by and you realize that you're getting older, you're not accomplishing the things that you thought you would accomplish at this age. Yeah. Like most birthday, I am home. I don't want to take any calls. I don't respond to nobody message. Like, I'm not lying. Like, the only time I respond are the day after, when I just do a general message and say thank you guys for the birthday. Like, never enthusiastic about my birthday. And then this year I'll be like, you know what, we're gonna do it differently. This year is all about me. Many people don't reach where I've reached, right? Many people, you know, live to see this day. First, I'm gonna taste this thing that's on here. Just potato. Just potato. Tastes good so far. But it tastes like something else. It's good. Tastes good. I love this. I give this like an 8 out of 10. Why the last 2 points is because the juice didn't over it. Okay, but I just not used to it, but it tastes good. Guys, you know the worst thing is, just order food and I'm not look on the price, you know. Suppose me can't afford it. I go run and go wash plate. Like, I have to remember to look at the price. I honestly never remember to look at the price. Let me see how much the drinks cost. The drinks are load at $11. I never remember to look at the price. And honestly, today is already going good. Yesterday the pool closed. That's the best gift I could ever get, because now I'm out of the sun and I can get back my real complexion. I am so glad that the pool closed yesterday. I'm glad it closed before my birthday. It's like an early birthday gift. I am so glad. Tomorrow I'll be going to Birdwood. That is inside. It's faster, tips, and yeah, better people. Yeah, rich people, golfers. So hopefully I make some more money on that end. And now I'll be inside. So even when the time get cold, we have heater inside. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited for the change. I'm just excited for what God have in this 33 years of my life. Yeah, there, I said it. Like, I always like, I don't know if I never feel the way that. I never feel the way that, like, when I'm afraid for telling the age because I feel like I don't reach the place where I need to reach it. Yeah, that is me. I feel like I was supposed to be, like, I'm supposed to be so much further. Like, I feel like I'm supposed to have my car, my house, my picnic, my husband at this age, and like, what you do? Like, what are you doing? But guess what? It's not man time and it's God time, and then everything happened the right time. And I'm gonna stop being hard for myself. And I already tell myself that I'm living this soft life, so I'm just gonna be soft on myself. Yeah, man. I say you go on, just gotta tell me happy birthday. The food, alright. The rice, 10 out of 10. The fries, 9 out of 10. It reminds me of England fries. It's smaller, but the taste, it good. The chicken, I don't like it. Like, the chicken is fine, but the sauce that they put on it, I don't know if it's a Peruvian sauce or soya sauce. I don't like it. But the rice, 10 out of 10. So in all, with the rice and the chicken, I would say 6.5. Yeah. Just finished eat. The whole, the fact that they never run me out really like that, and I was there for a while. The food altogether was like a 7 out of 10 and ate all that. It's good though, my belly food. The drink was good. I love that. This is the place. The movies that, let me show you which part we're on. Let me show you. So the salon was right there. I ate right there, and then the movie is like right there. So everything done in one place. And yeah, so I'm just gonna walk over to the movies because the movies start 6:30 and now it's 5 o'clock, and I just wanna just go over there and just chill, find the place, just enjoy myself. Kinda like over here. I think I'm too early, but me just gonna go in there.
You out this world, need some space for me. I'm out here, girl.
Good. I already booked it online, but I think I'm early. the Blue Beetle or something like that.
Oh, Blue Beetle at 6:15?
Yeah.
Alright, so the theater will be opening until 5:45.
5:45.
So if you want to hang out, let's have Polo's open if you would like.
I already just had something.
Just hang out.
Okay. I'll come. You said 5:45?
Yep, 5:45.
Okay. Alright.
Money, let's go down, down. Make it when we make it all, make it all, make it all. Break it up, then we make it all back, then we.
Guys, the sun hot. No man. No sir. I'm glad say no man, I know the sun's so hot. The sun literally tear off my skin. No man, anyway, guys, so this vlog, as you all know, is all about my birthday. Treating myself, pampering myself. So that's what I'm showing you. On my day off and so forth, I'm gonna come over here. Like, there's so much things to do over here. Like, the Dollar Tree, I'm going to the Dollar Tree. Hey.
Go right ahead, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hot out there. A little cooler, right?
Very hot. Halloween is coming. It's Halloween, guys. Falls.
You got me, it's lucid. I'm so high, up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy, you like that. Don't back down, no you talk back. Keep it spicy, there's a fat fact. We on the right track, yeah. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line.
Alright guys, I'm gonna pick up back with you when I'm going into the movies, because as you know, it was closed. But I'm just gonna tour around here and see if anything that I like, and then I'm gonna check my phone, because I've been on my phone all day doing live and I really have not responded to any messages for the last 4 hours. So I'll pick up back with you soon, okay?
Rain in the bedroom. We don't tell us all what we gon' do. Dirty little secrets, yeah. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom, bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom, bedroom.
You know, same people I take you for puppy show. Like, honestly, imagine at a store, hair braid, just 2 strands, 3 strands, it's selling. Like, really? 3 strands a year, not just 3 strands. Like, tell me now what this can do. 3 strand a braid. So if you want a full hairdo, you have to go buy more than all of this up here. No make no sense. I'm just gonna buy this and then go Marshall. I'm on a face journey. Favorite color too. It looks like blue but a teal. Just gonna buy this and then go Marshall because I need pants for work, black pants. Guys, look on me. I'll do shopping for my birthday. This vlog is all about treating me, I swear. Like, we are just buy pants to work and then we see other stuff and be like, I'm gonna buy it. So, yeah, that's that. I don't like Marshall because things them just so chock up, but the one that's kind of organized. But the shorts here look nice and them not have it in my size. Darn. So it will probably a good thing. I'll have to buy it. going into the movie now, buy one pants to work and buy one top. So again I'm moving now. It's 5:45 and I'm here. So it's still 2 and yeah, gonna end off the birthday watching Blue Beetle. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. 6:15.
Vampire women. These 2 blue marks close together on the victim's neck would have me puzzled, Inspector. Besides that, we didn't find one drop of blood in the corpse. Why, you could swear that a vampire murdered the girl.
Hey, now that I think about it, I'll bet those monsters were vampires, Doc.
C. Mighty Samson set fire to the vampire's cave. In Samson and the Vampire Women.
Represented, and a lot of your characters in Under the Mask are that way. Today, the legend.
Guys, I just went and changed my seat because I want a recline seat. Listen to me. Soft light era. Soft light era. I want a recline seat. So I changed it. Got it done. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to tonight.
Do you have any idea what the thing is? She looks like a little girl now, but she's growing. Whoever has that kid wins the war.
Oh man, I'm in space. What the hell is going on? Wait, is that my house?
Testing re-entry systems.
Guys, the movie just done. And I enjoyed it. We have a ball. No, something can't ball, so carries me eye water. Anyway, me away from the Uber. I decided that I'm gonna go to the restaurant that I said that I would go. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything, but I did because I did have popcorn but me feel hungry still, so we might buy something and carry home. The Uber did 30 minutes away. Today was awesome. Like, I would not change this day for anything. Like, I'm glad I did something. I was literally out of the house from morning till now, and I enjoyed my time. Birthday, one of the best birthday I've had in a long time, and I will do this like this teach me that me need to go out more. Yeah, I enjoyed today, honestly, and I'm gonna do this more. Thank you guys for coming on this day with me. Yeah, 30 nice, looking nice. Yeah, while I wait on the Uber, might as well just continue vlogging. Tomorrow is work, unfortunately. Normally when I get Tuesday, Wednesday off, but because of the change of work, as in the change of restaurant, I'm working tomorrow. No mind, still I'm going. Enjoy today to the max, like literally enjoy today, and I'm gonna do this again. I'm going to do this more often. I'm gonna try to do it at least once a month. Just take myself out and go somewhere, you know, enjoy myself. Solo dates, like, we think it would have been bad if it wasn't bad. Like, I enjoy my own company, but because the thing is, I had people wanting me, asking me where I'm going. I guess they wanted to go with me, but the thing is, the company, like the things that they wanted to do is not something that I am fond of. Like, they want to go club and bar and them something. No, I like my little nice bougie things. Them like, yeah, take myself to a massage, watch a movie. I like the chill vibes. Like, when I enter this bar and club thing, no, unless I maybe bona fide friend them. Yeah, but I enjoyed myself to the max. Not even got everything happen in one place, like right there. So, like, let me show you. Salon, dinner, movies. Like what? Like what? Everything happened in one place, and I literally just paid like $12–13 for Uber fare back and forth. Enjoyed my time. and me never really buy no clothes. I had this from Miami. We buy the pants from when I go Orlando. Like we have these stuff. Like me not go out and way. The only thing we spend on is a salon, the massage, and the movie. And the movie are practically $7. So me definitely I come back. You understand? I'm always like shy or scared to go on solo date, but this was lovely. I love this, and I'm going to do this some more, and you guys should do it. Yeah, get out the house more time. Yeah. Anyway, I'll reach back. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow because I'm going in. My phone want to charge. I'm just gonna relax and go to my phone because a whole heap of person messaged me, and I have some prize to give away. So I'm gonna do that tonight. So check you tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in for my birthday, and thank you for all the birthday wishes. My phone died, like it literally died. Look at it, I booked the Uber already. So the phone died, and today dead as today. Dead. Phone dead. Luckily me booked the Uber already. So I'm just waiting on the Uber and I'm going to go home. Like me just literally telling us the phone I got dead and the phone just dead. Shame it just like that. Luckily the Uber is booked. Next time I'll prepare. Like the thing is, my battery pack wasn't fully charged and I was using it to charge the camera because that wasn't charged. Like this camera I'm talking on, the DJI never charged. My fault still, but everything worked out. Going home now and going to relax. Wait on the Uber. The Uber is like 2 minutes away. I don't even know what to. I wonder if I eat that down there to stop down there. You know, so I'm going to walk down there. I'm going to walk down there because probably I ate that. Anyway, later. Alright guys, so I got a package. Don't know it's from who. I got it for my birthday. And last night I also received a Sephora gift card. And I got money. So yeah, my birthday was awesome. But I'm just going to see what's in this box. And I just want to show you guys. This. It's a facial thing. Like what? Ooh, I like it. Love it. I don't know who bought it though. Doesn't even have any paper, no nothing, no nothing. Like who buy me this? Now I can do my face. So it have the hairband thing. It have the things to pick out the thing. You know, I wanted one of this. I wanted one of this. But I didn't really buy it because the one that I saw used battery. And I think this probably use battery. I don't use battery, but I love it. I like it. I don't know why these people like giving stuff to travel with, you know. Like, you have to get some stuff over here. I don't think so. But thank you to whoever bought this for me. Like, thank you. And this was so thoughtful. I wish we didn't know who someone can thank them, but I guess eventually I would know. But look at this. This is not, it's just a brush. So you just do this and do this. Nice. Love this. Now I can do my face. Hey, the person who bought this know me, you know? The person who bought this know me. Like, I've been working on my face, and right now I'm using the Ordinary products. My face is looking more lovely than ever. And then I always saw people with this and I'm like, oh, look at them, influential lifestyle. Like, now I have one. Now I have one. Look at, you can see my face. Yo. And then the tools to pick out the thumbnail. You can start a business line. Love this. Thank you to whoever bought this. Thank you. love it. Alright, so today is my sister's birthday. Yeah, I don't know how my mom planned that, but yeah, I was born yesterday, she was born today. So today is her birthday. Happy birthday, Candy, and I love you. You are my sweet bananas sister. Yeah, happy birthday, Candy, and I'm sure you're having a great time today. Yeah, so guys, yesterday, like this week, was so festive. As you could see, the dog show, you know, it's not really a show, it's just a dog thing, letting them play the pool, because the pool, they could enter the pool and then there's like, might as well let the dog come in and enjoy the pool. And that was lovely, even though I stand one place because me and I have no friend. Yeah, I went and I did a massage. It's a signature massage. It's not the typical massage, but they focus on your joints and stretching and like lymphatic things. Yeah, they focus on that, and it was good. I enjoyed it. It was 1 hour. It was relaxing also. Love that. I also went to dinner. You could see that. I went live. I was literally in the place like for 4 hours. Went live when I was talking to you guys, and I went to movie, and that was the end of my birthday. But I'm gonna do, like, that is just the start of a new era. I'm gonna do so much solo updates. Yes, I don't need nobody to carry me out. I don't need any company. I enjoyed my company yesterday, and yesterday I was like so happy. I was so happy, and still happy now, but that shows that I can do it on my own. And I'm going to make this a point of duty where every month I find somewhere and go by myself. Yeah, treat myself. Working too hard. I'll work on no play, make Vanessa a dull girl. So I'm gonna do that more often, and obviously you guys gonna come around. This, I keep saying anyway, so the place that I went yesterday is not too far, but not expensive, and there's so much things happening around. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start off from there and go like the different restaurants. I already been to one restaurant, and I can always go and watch movie because the movie them not expensive. So yeah, that is it. And I'm just gonna close out the vlog today. Yes, I know it's unorthodox for me to close out the vlog on a Wednesday, but it's already long. We don't want it to be long, right? And I'm gonna close out the day, take the rest of the week and edit, and just pause for a while from the whole videoing thing, and catch back with you next week, next Saturday. So thank you guys for making my birthday wonderful, and don't you forget to like, share and subscribe, turn on the post notification, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend. Oh, and right now we have so many entries, and I'm so glad that you guys are entering the competition to win the $100 from my birthday to you, so that you can, yeah, just enjoy life. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over here, because over here so we share all the good things. Yeah, bye.